Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to use picture-in-picture on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Now to do that, just open Settings, then tap on General. And from here, you will find the option of picture-in-picture. Now just tap on it. Now from here, just make sure you enable Start Picture-in-Picture automatically. And after you enable this toggle, you will enable picture-in-picture on your iPhone. Now to use picture-in-picture, just open any video or a video call on any app. For an example, I will open this video. Now after you open the video, then just go to your home screen and the app will open in a picture-in-picture mode. Just like that. Now if you want to use picture-in-picture on the YouTube app, you will have to subscribe to the premium version of the YouTube app. But you can use the picture-in-picture mode in any app of the default iPhone apps. And this is how you can use picture-in-picture on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.